How hard is? Not is too hard?
Right now it's 26%, like 25%.
When I said the plate.
You can
plate?
try. Not so hot.
Hot, no, not very hot.
Not too hard.
Compared to the thick
If
one.
I increase the power, it will, go through it. Right now, not go through, just on the surface. Yeah. This one for 0.5 millimeter or to 1 millimeter.
Okay.
This is 25 of our power. Yeah.
I'm not very sure the heat, how much the heat is, but maybe it's only 30% of the thick weld. So you can feel they're not that.
The penetration, how's the penetration right now?
Can go to 5 millimeter for this machine.
5 millimeter?
Yeah, we have bigger one. Can go to 7 millimeter for carbon steel.
No, but I said the penetration of the weld. How much is?
Yeah. For this machine can go to 5 millimeter
5
for
millimeter?
stainless steel. I will send. I got an email. I will send you the welding application with all the parameters inside. You can check it. Yeah.
Now I doubled the power. It looks like this. Let's try this. Let me reduce the speed.
¿No se atora? ¿No se atora? No, que no, no se atora, eso es lo bueno. No, este pues no sale, se paga solo. En un año, ¿no? En un buen jalecito.
Perfect. Speed is a little bit reduced, so it's a very smooth.
Definitely much better.
Yeah, it's almost penetrated. If you increase a little bit, maybe 5%, it will totally, through.
Take a less hit to see the weld on the other side to see how works for.
Less
hit.
Let's hit.
Huh?
Can I get another?
You can do it on the other side.
On the
No,
surface.
on the other side.
Other side?
Yeah.
But it need time to cool down. Right now it's very hot, so it will affect. This is why. Like 5 minutes later, we can do it, or we can pour some water onto it. Actually, it can welding under the water. Under the water, it works really good. Yeah. If you have a container, you can put some water into it. We can do this side.
Yeah,
I will show you. Yeah.
We need
A shallow container is enough.
我si podemos ir al baño y no parar de trabajar.
没见过水压分离，是不是？
You think that this is enough?
Yeah, I think so now.
How much water you want? How much water you want to fill it up?
Half inch, 1 inch, half
Yeah, this one looks good. There's a little coloration, but
This thickness, I think 50% is good, but if we reduce the heat, maybe not as good as this one. But we will try.
Okay.
We will try. We will try.
Yeah.
Half we will reduce it, and we will leave it. Another half we will see.
I can. You need another plate, or that one is okay?
This one is okay. Oh. You want me? But under the water, probably this heat is good. Let's try. This is my first time.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. Let me try it a little bit first.
Okay, that one.
If the container is bigger, we'll
Just hold
like
on.
the better.
Just hold on.
Yeah.
Okay, we can start.
Oh, I see. The underwater. 把姑娘家加到去。 Container is kind of too small. The bigger is better.
Maybe you can take a bigger
Maybe go-
container.
Together.
Yeah.
This thing. Well,
You know, it's not easy to control my hand, so the angle
Where
I
you
can,
turn the-
it's too small. If it's
Where you
bigger,
turn it like this?
yeah. No,
but
but
the-
this
but-
angle cannot be good.
oh, okay, I see.
This is why. If you have a big container, it will. If double it, that will be perfect.
Yeah, but you can tell that it's well done, huh?
See, if I do this one, my hand cannot. The angle
Yeah,
cannot.
anyway,
It should be 45. Yeah, it's a net angle.
Can I put more water into it? More water.
More water?
More water. So that I can adjust the angles.
Can you put another thing on the bottom so you can put it ahead
Thank you.
or there?
Yeah.
We can put in something underneath it. Just give it a name.
Oh, I didn't control it well.
He cannot see that, so it's difficult for him to control direction.
Oh, yeah, I know.
With a big
I
tanker,
understand.
it helps. Yeah, the welding is good.
Can you reduce the speed to 35 for me?
Okay.
Yeah, speed to 35 right now.
Nice 35. It works? You want 30?
Yeah, the problem is the container is too little.
Let me see. Power. Power maybe let me adjust a little bit. 55. Let me try 55. It works, but not penetrative. See this?
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah. Try this one.
You want to put in something underneath to keep straight?
No problem.
O por el agua. Vamos a see.
It's not as good And the water not as good as without water.
Too much heat.
Yeah, too much heat.
No, no, la soldadura queda más oscura.
Oh, ya, más flat, ¿no? Por el frío, por el agua.
Fifty is the best.
Put it in the water to cool it down.
Yeah,
Put it in the water, cool it down.
yeah, you're right. So if you want to, it depends the. It also depends on the weld, the wire feeding speed.
Oh, exactly.
Its feeding speed
So,
right now
yeah, all
is 50.
depends on
Yeah.
the speed of the wires coming out.
You're right, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, and
Anyway, this machine is very easy to manage it.
to adjust it to
In 2
manage.
hours you can find everything. Then you can accumulate your the experience to use it. Different materials to use a different.
And you guys, in the case we have some kind of problem to do the job, you guys be able to send somebody else to fix the problem.
Of course. We have a distributor here. It's 1 mile from here.
No, que sea para las paredes simplificadas, ¿no? Que comprar.
Es que para eso no vamos.
No sé. No te voy a poner material, no se puede. Dile que no le ponga. Porque no tiene el material, ¿no? ¿Sabe poder poner? O dice que si le hacen fuse,
You can do fuse without wire.
We can do it.
Yeah, that is
we'll
the-
try both.
Okay.
I think with the one way is better because it's too short.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. With only laser, can weld the ducts.
I tried before for without wire for these materials.
Mm.
Looks very good. Let me try with wire first, then we will
Okay.
do it without wire.
That's good.
Que lo
Very good.
Y lo pone cago. Que sí, esa está de las otras aquí que acaban de llegar, ¿ah?
¿Te llegaron de las
Más rápido. No, las que son el que son más rápido y más limpio.
It's good. It's very good.
Now we can do it without wire.
Pues no se mira tan mal con alambre.
Trate otra porque la volví a hacer.
You can test your hammer to test the strength.
We welded both of the direction.
See.
Ahí la tiene. No hay. This is a 50 dozens thick. This one is 60.
Yeah. When he weld without wire, so he can control speed. When the power is lower, he can slow down speed. When the power is higher, he can just go faster.
Oh, I didn't control the speed very well, so
Because this machine, when there is a wire, the wire speed can control the direction. And right now, without wire, he got control speed. So you got to have a feeling how much.
The thing you have during the time you have to know how I adjust the speed and everything because in the beginning it's very hard.
Yeah. So when the power match with your speed, then it's good. Yeah. Maybe need a few times for trail, then you can find it out.
please check how it is.
It should be fine.
I don't want to do more, so if we can get a new sample to do it.
You want to try to break with your tools to see if it is strong enough? Because this one without
I
wire.
reduced the power to 20
Looks good.
because it's very short, so it's not easy to control
Yeah, I
the
know.
speed. Yeah.
I know.
If the speed is stable, it will look much better than this.
It looks good.